So, how many of you love fashion? Type it down F in the chat box. So, how many of you want to know how I earn 1 lakh rupees plus revenue through project based export? Type it down 1 lakh in the chat box. Thank you everyone for your response. So, my name is Fareen Sheikh. I'm from Baroda, Gujarat. By profession, I'm a fashion designer and a student at CI and a Diamond Elite member. I thank Kirtan sir and CI community for giving me this opportunity. So what is project-based expert? A person who learn by doing real projects and earn through that skill is called project-based expert. For me is fashion design. So how many of you are excited to know my journey? Type it down J in the chat box. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you for your response. So this is how my journey started. When I was in college in 2019, I was doing a BSc in fashion communication, where I was learning how to do product shoot, how to style, how to manage fashion even. So I was just learning at that time, and this was the turning point where I started focusing on my education and I start doing the real projects. Like when I was in the second year, I got one opportunity to work in National Mumbai Fashion Week. So at that time I was just in second year and I don't know how to create the collection. I don't have that much of knowledge because as I was in the second year, knowledge was not that much polished yet to present my collection. I want a roadmap. How can I present over there? So I asked for a help to one of my faculty and she guided me. And when I present my collection at National Mumbai Fashion Week and I was awarded, at that time I was awarded as a best designer of the year 2019 in National Mumbai Fashion Week. And the first article that was published was with my mother and father. Mara Mata Pita, Age Mara Ideal, Fareen Sheikh. So this was the article and that was the shift inside me. Now I will not stop. Now I will learn more and I will create more. And the second opportunity that I got was from one of my dance teacher. He asked me that we are doing one event. Are you able to present your collection? At that time, I was like in the second year as well. I was in the second year, but I was so much excited that yes, I got the opportunity. I will work no matter what it will take. So I was ready with my collection and I executed the event, and that was the second event for me. And the event journey started from there itself. So I start creating garments and start doing their photo shoot. And I start giving them for pre-wedding shoot, maternity shoot, mehendi shoot. And I was like giving that all the design that I was creating, giving them on the rental base to the customers. And then I start giving my collections in the fashion show. As I was participating as upcoming designers, I was presenting my collection in the fashion show as I was learning over there, and I was creating connection and how the fashion event is conducted. I was learning at that time. These are the events that I have been completed. Till now, I have worked like more than 35 plus fashion shows. And then I start collaborating with brands. I work with Reliance, Joya Lucas, and the different organizers who are organizing event. I start collaborating with them. I give them my garments and I collaborate with them. This all are my events. Firstly, I was taking part as an upcoming designer, then slowly as I completed my education and slowly I was learning everything. Then after my education, I was able to present as an established designer. I was presenting my collection as an established designer, and then I start organizing events. But what was stopping at that moment? I was doing things, but I was stuck. That stuck was when I was working in the event, I was not able to speak in front of public because I have the camera fear, I have public speaking fear inside me, and that was stopping me. Somehow I was thinking that where am I stuck? I don't know where am I stuck, but I'm stuck at that moment. And everything, like literally I was doing things, but it was like going here, there, no clarity was there for me. So I was literally in confusion zone that how will I get the clarity? How will I work more? How can I create more clarity in my mind? So then I came in CI. I start my foundation journey. I complete the success ready, became success ready practitioner, and I start working on my skills. The first skill that I completed was advanced communication, and I got beautiful result of it. I was able to speak in front of public. I was able to speak in school, colleges, and I was getting opportunities from there. Then after, as I completed my advanced communication, I was able to speak in national conference, work with the celebrities, style them, work in the advertising project. These are all the benefit and the stream that I get after joining CI. And then I organized my own fashion show. How did I generated over 1 lakh plus income as a project-based expert? So how many of you want to know that? Type it down, 1 lakh in the chat. So the first income that I generated was I gave my garment on rental base to the events like in colleges or in fashion events. I start giving my collection on rental base. So this was the first income that I generated from that. The second income that I generated, the second stream was when I start organizing my own fashion show and I start generating income from that. The second stream was organizing fashion shows. And the third income that I generated is from giving workshops in colleges, taking exams. This was the third stream of income that I start generating. And this way I hit my 1 lakh plus revenue as a project-based expert. So the learning from this journey was I tried to quit, but life had a bigger plan for me. One-time skill, learning, lifetime benefit. Project helped me to monetize my skill. Then I became Hall of Fame. Then I became Hall of Fame lead expert. Thank you so much.